Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are well. I am your math teacher and this is grade 4 math. In today's video, let us learn the topic rounding off numbers. So this is chapter 1 page number 14. So you have already learned to round off numbers. Let us take a look once again. Rounding off to the nearest 10. So this is examples they have given and this are the steps. Rounding off to the nearest 10. Before this topic, you have to know what are weak numbers and strong numbers. Numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, strong numbers. Strong numbers start from 5. Strong numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. Okay, so these are strong numbers. So these are weak numbers 0 to 4. Strong numbers 5 to so on. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are strong numbers. So rounding off to the nearest 10. Here is the first step. Mark the periods and places. Okay, so mark the periods and places. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Example 1. Okay, so 42,868. So this is a question. So step 2. Identify the place to be rounded. So from these we have to identify the place to be rounded. Step 3. Check the number just on the right of the place to be rounded off. So we have to check the number just on the right of the place to be rounded off. Okay, so if the right side of the value is greater than 5, then greater than 5, so what we have to do, we have to add 1 with this number. So now this becomes 6 plus 1 becomes 7. Okay, so it is more than 5. Okay, it is more than 5, so we have to add 1 with this number. So now this becomes 6 plus 1 become 7. Okay, if it is less than 5, the digit should be same. We should not change anything and this one's place becomes 0. Okay. Okay, so 4, 2, 8, 6, 8. Okay, so this is the example one we have taken. So 42,868. Okay, so once in ones 8 plus 6 is there, in 100 8 is there, in 1000 2 is there, 10,000 4 is there. Okay, so now we are having 4 steps. Okay, so firstly we have to mark the periods and place. Mark the periods and places. First step is mark the periods and places. Next is should identify the place to be rounded. Okay, from this we have to identify the places to be rounded. So what we have to do, we have to rounding off to the nearest 10. Okay, so we should rounding off to the nearest 10. So we have to check the number on the right of the place to be rounded. Okay, so we have to check the number right place to be rounded. If it is 5 or more than 5, the number is rounded off to the next 10. So it is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, so we have to add 1. If it is greater than 5, add 1 to the tens place. Then it becomes 6 plus 1 becomes 7. Okay. So now we have to write this 42,800. Okay. And in ones place we have to, and the digit in the ones place becomes 0. Okay. And digit in the ones place become 0. Okay. And the digit ones place becomes 0. Okay, and the digit in the ones place becomes 0. Okay, so here I have written the ones place 0. Okay, if it is less than 5, the digit in the tens place does not change and the digit in the ones place will already 0. Okay, so this is the first example we have taken. So here the nearest number is 70. Okay, so 70 is the nearest number. So 42,870. So one more example. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. One more example. So 2, 0, 7, 3, 3. Same. Okay, so we have to mark the periods. Okay, 20,733, and we have to identify the place to be rounded, right side of it. Okay, so here 3 is there, but our condition is we have to check the number just on the right of the place to be rounded. If it is 5 or more than 5, number is rounded off to the next 10, but it is 3, so it is less than 5, so the digit in the tens place does not change. Okay, if it is more than 5, then only we have to add 1 with this number. If it is less than 5, this should be as it is, and the digit in the ones place becomes 0, and this will be as it is. We are not changing anything. So now this becomes 20,730. Okay, so if it is greater than 5, so we have to add 1, and the digit in the ones place becomes 0. If we add 1 with 6, it will become 7. Okay, and the ones place will becomes 0, and the ones place becomes 0. So now this is 42,870. If it is greater than 5, then only we have to add 1 in the tens place. If it is less than 5, we have to keep the number as it is. We should not change anything. Okay, so this is about rounding off to the nearest 10. So in the next class I will be doing the continuation. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.